Hello everyone, my name is Adil Khan and this is my first task from the Sparks Foundation internship. So I will be explaining you the problem statement. The problem statement is that the data provided here is the number of hours studied and the marks scored according to that hour. So let's start with the solution. Firstly, I have imported the required libraries, that is pandas, numpy, matplotlib, etc. So now we will be extracting the data from the URL provided using pandas.read.csv. So using the head function, we will be looking at the data. This is the data provided. So now we will be plotting our data without applying anything on it, just to see how our data looks like on graph. So as you can see, as the number of hours increases, the marks also increases accordingly. So now let's assign the data to two different variables. The hours values are assigned to x variable, and the scores value are assigned to y variable. So now we will be splitting the data into train and test values, so that we can train our model with the train data and predict the values and check the accuracy of our data using test model and test data. So we will be splitting our data using the inbuilt function of sklearn, which is train test split. Now we will be fitting our model using the linear regression, providing the model with x train and y train. So now our model has been trained. So let's plot the data. Let's plot the predicted values using our model. So this is how our values look like, and this is the best fitted line which our model has predicted. So now let's compare the actual value and the values predicted by our model. These are the values which were provided to us, which is y test values, and these are the values which our model has predicted. So as you can see, there is a slight difference between both the values. So our problem statement also has one thing, which is we have to predict the number of marks for 9.25 hours of study. So let's do that. We will provide the model with 9.25 hours value of hours. So here we can see the marks is 91.7359 and so on. So now to check the accuracy of our model, we will be using mean squared error from sklearn.matrix. We will be providing it with y test and the predicted value. So as you can see, the mean squared error of our model is 36.798186 and so on. Thank you.